So as you guys saw, we are unboxing the humidifier, which is the AC Infinity. I'm just trying to make sure we have some stability here, guys. 1 second. Okay, there we go. So we're unboxing the AC Infinity T7, the Cloud Forge. So it does feature some wheels at the bottom. Sorry, my hands are a little glossy. It does feature some wheels at the bottom. As you can see, it is prone to a little bit of fingerprints. This is the top reservoir, and this is where the humidity, mist, and levels would come out. You also can take this off to fill up the reservoir inside as well. This is going to be the controller. This is how you control everything. You can also plug this into the AC Infinity's controller as well. And that would also have it on display. So yeah. So we're going to connect all this and see how all this works, and we're going to go from there.